KAM for real. So today we have a very exciting day. Okay, so if you remember, if I put it in the vlog the last time, then you'll know we didn't do much yesterday, which was Friday. We were supposed to have brunch, but this one fell sick. Are we going anywhere?
I don't know.
Okay. So we didn't go. So today we're going to have a late breakfast, just kind of brunch because it's lunch. It's lunch.
It's the whole 12 o'clock.
It's 12 p.m. So we're gonna have lunch, and then let's see what else happens. Oh, by the way, guys, this is KK.
They know me.
They don't know you. IGTV knows you. YouTube doesn't know you.
Hi guys, I'm KK.
Where are you from?
I'm from Zambia.
All right. So
No, I'm from Jamaica. I was joking. I'm from Clarendon.
Okay, bye. So I'll see you once we are there, and we're gonna meet up with my other friend, Kayla. It is hot up in this mug. Okay, hold on. Let me get my mask on. Somebody coming close. Come on. Alrighty.
Can we go to the road?
Taxi. Okay, let's go to the road.
John. Lunch at this lovely little cafe called 302 in the downtown. I don't know where it is. Is it downtown Abu Dhabi?
I think, is this not downtown Abu Dhabi?
I think this is all downtown Abu Dhabi.
The whole Abu Dhabi is downtown.
So yes.
Oh yeah.
And Sadia. So yeah.
So it is now.
Can you see? Oh no, they can't see. It's 12:28. 12:18, sorry.
And we were supposed to be here at what time?
12:30.
And Kayla is not
Here.
okay.
So let's give it 10 more minutes.
All right.
Let's see.
One thing about us, we're gonna be on time.
And that's all what?
Period. What does that mean? She is late. About that time.
About that 12:30 time, eh?
First of all, you guys don't have to find parking.
Oh,
What do I say?
What's your name?
Kayla.
Where you from?
South Africa.
So I got lentil soup. Looking good. Chips, fish and chips. Oh, this tartar sauce. Sorry, I stuttered. 7-Up, Pepsi, Barata. Barats. And then she also got fish and chips because follow me. Bread as per usual. What's this?
Steak baguette
Steak baguette.
and quinoa and beets salad.
Quinoa beet salad.
You like
That
beets?
looks nice. I like quinoa. Can I taste it?
You may. You can have all the onions.
the shooting range. We need my bag. I just have my phone.
So you can take your phone.
We about to shoot some guns, y'all. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Main thing is don't turn around. Always point in same direction. Is in front of you. Okay, we will show you more in detail over there. These two are the back sides. The front is the one dot. So that should be aligned in the same line. So you should aim straight, same like this. Is it okay?
Yep.
All of you. Name, mobile signature.
Shaking actually.
How do you guys feel?
What are we doing? We don't do this.
How do you feel?
We don't do this in Africa.
You're excited? So you're gonna do this in Africa?
I'm nervous, but I'm excited.
Okay, cool.
How about you?
Okay. Nope. Let us go. Let us go. Let us go. We're gonna do the same person?
Can you hear me?
I'll try.
So it's your first time? Okay. So your left hand or right hand at last? Okay. So right hand, you will hold it again like this. Okay? And make sure people always keep on. You will try one shot first, okay? Slow down.
And that's Kamforreall.
How is it? Not doing so bad. Oh, so close. Oh my god.
Did she get one?
No.
She got a bullseye.
You gotta go back?
That's only a mark.
This is probably my gun. My gun wasn't going straight.
So you're not blaming it on yourself, like your skills, but you didn't do too bad.
That's all I do, baby.
How you feeling, KK?
I don't
Adrenaline
know.
rush?
I did? Oh, nice.
Now let's compare to KK.
He said I got a bullseye. I got a bullseye.
I mean,
Not
it
in the
kinda
center,
counts.
but it counts.
It's on the white.
Oh,
This time, it's much better. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5. That count.
I'm up, guys.
tell them I did good. See?
That's good shot.
See? Oh my god! He's a good shot. Daddy, are you proud? I said my sharpshooter, but hello. The guy's so nice. He's like letting me use all the guns.
I'll give them 16.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So if you want, you can hold it like this.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can hold it like this also.
Alright, I'll hold it like this.
Okay.
Alright. Woo! you can.
Can you see?
Yo. No.
We actually all did good, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, better you go outside the post. I'll take picture of you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Oh. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay. Now listen up, bucko. Play with me if you wanna. Play with me if you wanna, but I can't promise you nothing. Yeah, but that was super fun. It was amazing. I would do it again. I would. Yeah. Super fun. Oh.
Too much.
So now we're heading back to the city. Hold on, let me put my mask on. Gonna see people now. Mask on. Put your mask. Okay, cool. So now we go back to the seats. Yep, key. She has to check if we stole any of the guns.
I mean, where would you
Still no ammunition up in this place. My time. Just hold me.
hold you? Me next.
Queen. All the sons are named for Emirates, based on the Emirates? Oh, it's actually from Mal Queen? Oh, Fujairah. Fujairah looks very sandy.
Abu Dhabi, because it's from our Sariyat beach. And a little bit from the desert.
And this is? Oh, Ajman.
But it's very like rugged. So imperfectly perfect.
Nonsense.
Look at this.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
you see all this?
Did you guys do it on purpose? Look,
Yes.
look.
You're filming, right?
Yeah. She said you're filming, right? But it's nice. And this is Dubai.
Oh, the lights are small.
Oh, Dubai's so small. Why Dubai so small? No.
It's a sound from FC.
Oh, that's such a nice touch. You're welcome, Kayla. It's ombre.
The umbrella is just a light.
Is it a lighting?
It's different.
Oh,
So it's umbrella effect.
Yes.
cute. Y'all did that. Look at you.
Before we get
Wait. Rest Al Kaima.
I said it first.
Okay, you won. And then the last one is Ras Al Khaimah.
Yeah,
It's very orange. Yeah. Red? Why red?
Reddish tint.
yeah.
Y'all know it's
Literally.
this joint is orange. Cool. God bless everyone who works here.
We're taking the stairs?
I might as well. It's a scenic route. Remember when we were in Malaysia? way to be seated. Okay? What y'all doing? Yeah, actually. Okay. Okay, this is not gonna happen.
After all that, it's still like a.
Alright, so I think this is gonna be the end of the vlog. We're gonna end it here. We're gonna end the vlog out here. Thank you so much for tuning in, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And share.
Thank you. See you in the next one. We out.
Adios.
Bye.